In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GetResponse form page and connect it to WordPress. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the process of building your contact form with GetResponse and integrating it into your WordPress site. First, it's important to understand why you'd want to use GetResponse for your forms. GetResponse is a powerful email marketing tool that helps you build your mailing list and engage with your audience effectively. So, let's get started. The very first step is to log into your GetResponse account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Head to their website, sign up, and then you'll be ready to go. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Forms option in the sidebar. Click on that, and this will take you to a new page where you can create a form. Once you're on the Forms page, there may be a big inviting button that says Create Form. Go ahead and click on that. You'll enter a section where you can choose from various templates for your form. Choose a template that fits your style and brand. You can always customize it later, so don't overthink this part. After selecting a template, you'll be taken to the form editor. This part is quite fun. Here, you can add fields to your form. For instance, if you're collecting email addresses, you'll want to make sure there's a field for them to enter their email. You might also consider adding fields for names, phone numbers, or anything else you want to know about your subscribers. Just click on Add Field for each additional field you want to include. Now that you've set up your fields, let's talk about customizing your form. You can change colors, fonts, and background images according to your brand's theme. Remember, a visually appealing form can improve your chances of signups. Make sure to also check the thank you page that displays after someone submits the form. You want to send a friendly message letting them know their submission was successful. Once you're satisfied with your form, it's time to save it. You'll see an option to save or publish your form. Click on that. After saving, you should see options for how to integrate the form into your website. Copy the HTML code provided. This is important. You'll need it in the next step. Now let's hop over to your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want your form to appear. You can add your form to a new post, an existing page, or even a sidebar widget if you prefer. If you're adding it to a new post or page, click on Add New. When you're in the post or page editor, look for the option to add a new block. Depending on whether you're using the Gutenberg block editor or the classic editor, the approach may differ slightly. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, you'll select the Custom HTML block. If you're using the classic editor, you'll simply switch to the Text tab to paste your code. Go ahead and paste that HTML code you copied from GetResponse. After pasting it in, switch back to the preview mode to make sure everything looks good. If you see your form displayed nicely, that's a great sign. If not, double-check the code you pasted to ensure everything is correct. Once everything looks perfect, you can go ahead and publish or update your post/page. Congratulations! You successfully created a GetResponse form page and connected it to your WordPress site. Now that your form is live, remember to test it out. Fill in the fields and submit the form to make sure you're receiving the email entries as expected. This will give you peace of mind knowing that everything is functioning correctly. So there you have it, folks. You now know how to create a GetResponse form and integrate it into your WordPress website. This powerful combination will help you build your audience and make meaningful connections with your subscribers. Don't forget to check back here for more tutorials, and if you found this video helpful,